Sons of Sanctuary. Take it away.
Now the light of glory arises, like the sun that shines on high. Now awakening to freedom, oh revive the spirits, oh revive. We the mountains and the valleys, bring alive the springs of the earth. Light the world forever, the light of your rebirth. Light the world forever, with the light of your rebirth. We are called to bring back the glory to the light of God above. Now the Lord in His greatness fills the universe with tender love. Ever seeking souls awaken, ever holding them to be free. How shall I attend who is calling to me? How shall I attend Him who is calling to me? From the dark of death I awaken and rejoice to live in grace. When the one who saved me holds me tenderly in His embrace, I rejoice to feel the comfort of the love He has for me. What a blessing of glory to rejoice eternally. What a blessing of glory to rejoice eternally. Now He lifts me up to embrace me in the blessing that is mine. What a blessing to receive Him in a love so tender and divine. How can I return the blessing, knowing all my life I will try? I can never stop feeling how unworthy am I. I can never stop feeling how unworthy am
Deuteronomy chapter 5, verse 24. And you said, the Lord our God has shown us His glory and His majesty, and we have heard His voice from the fire. Today we have seen that a man can live even if God speaks with him. Adieu.
Water you turned into wine. Open the eyes of the blind. There's no one like you. None like you. Into the darkness you shine. Out of the ashes we rise. There's no one like you. None like you. Our God is greater. Our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome and powerful.
Isaiah chapter 58, verse 6 says, "Here's the way I want you to fast. Set free those who are held by chains without any reason. Untie the ropes that hold people as slaves. Set free those who are crushed. Break every evil chain."
Amen. Let's give it up for Sounds of Sanctuary. SOS. Woo. Amen. Thank you, young people. Wow, isn't that amazing? You know, they're getting better and better every week. Amen. Good job, guys. Bless you. Bless you. All right.